Hello friends, welcome back to my channel This Mama Learns. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Today I am going to show you how to make paper flowers which can be used for wall decor, nursery decor, party decor. These are the three sizes required. Now take this small size paper and fold it in half. Draw a petal shape on it. You can change any shape of your choice. Cut out the shape. Draw the same shape on other pieces and cut it out. Total 6 pieces are required of small size. Now take medium size paper and repeat the same procedure. For this, take small size petal and add extra 1 cm from all sides and cut it out. Now draw the medium size petals on other 6 papers and cut them. We will require total 7 papers. Now for the large size, repeat the same procedure. Add extra 1 cm to the medium size petal. Draw the shape and cut it out. Total 7 petals are required of large size. Take the small size petal, mark its centers and give approximately 2 cm cut. Do this in all the 6 petals. For medium size, the cut should be of 2.5 cm. For large petals, the cut should be of approximately 3 cm. Now paste the petal as shown in video in the overlapping pattern. Repeat this procedure for all the large petals. Now repeat this for all the medium size petals. Now with the help of a glue stick or pen, roll out the corners. Repeat the same procedure for all the petals. Press it firmly for few seconds to give it a proper stick. Take the yellow paper of the mentioned size, fold it in half and paste it as shown in video. Now again fold it in half and then again in half. Now give cuts on it as shown in video. Roll out the cutting to form a flower. Take a circle of approximately 16 cm and paste the large petals on the outer edge. Press it firmly. Now paste the medium size petal inside it. Leave approximate 1 cm gap. Repeat the same step for small petals. Now place the prepared yellow flower inside it. For the outer large petals, paste the ones which are sticking out. And now our flower is ready. You can use any color combination of your choice. Draw the outline for the leaves and cut it out. To give it a 3D effect, fold it as shown in video. You can either use a scale or do it with your hand. The final outcome. Here I have also check out the above link for small yellow flowers. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Thank you.